Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying something new, and when I say new, it's new because I try to avoid it. I normally don't do lashes. Now if you've been with me a while, you know I don't put on lashes,
But 2026 is time to step my game up.
These lash clusters are from Kisslily. Quick heads up, this item was sent to me for an honest review. But I'm still going to tell you exactly what it is, especially since I'm new to clusters, okay? So, it comes with the tweezers. These things always scare me. Your bond and seal, your remover, and your clusters. So it is 168 clusters. So there's plenty of room for mistakes and learning and then getting it right. So don't feel like you're wasting product because there are plenty. So it ranges from 8mm to 16. Here I'm showing you my handy dandy tweezer and the supplies we're going to be using. So let's get started. I'm going to start by putting some bond on my eyelashes. Now, guess what? Like I said, this is new to me. This is not a tutorial. This is a review. So I figured I would start with the 12. It's always a little bit awkward trying to position the lash where you want it and trying to look in the mirror. Oh wait, I did it. I did it, y'all. Now I gotta deal with, sometimes it's going to stick to the tweezer. It's a learning process. Okay, not bad. Now I know they're not long, they're not 16s. I don't need all that. I'm not doing all that. I just want some lashes because as you can see, my eyes are ball cat Susie. So even 8s, 10s, 12, that is enough for me. That's what I like. Oh, that was a little bit easier. That was much easier. Now, that was a 10. So now I'm taking an 8 and putting it on the outer. Now, it just makes sense for me to tap it with my fingers to make sure it's in place. I feel like the outer and inner corners are really awkward and hard to get to because it's curved a bit, but this wasn't as bad as I thought. So if you're wondering, didn't she already do that? I ended up taking off all the ones I applied, cleaned it off, and started fresh. Okay? Because, whew, baby. And like I said, I've never done this. Ever. Okay? So, giving myself some grace. Nah, I wasn't satisfied. So I took them off again, one more time. And this time, it went on easily. Okay? It's just a matter of practice and getting used to it. Let's continue. Just ignore all those faces I'm making because honestly, I'm feeling a bit more confident now. I can see doing these. They're not as bulky as I thought, feeling like they would be in the way or lots of blinking. These are pretty decent. Yeah, y'all about to start seeing me in lashes more. Now that that's done, I'm going to go in with the sealant using this little applicator. And this little applicator is actually pretty soft. It's not something hard poking in your eye. It's really a soft tool. One thing I noticed was that at the base of the lash, where you apply the glue, I felt like it was showing a light white color. So I got a mascara pen and just kind of tapped underneath where it touches my eyes, so it darkens it a bit. You probably didn't see it, but I did. And then I'm gonna go over it with my e.l.f. mascara. Alright, now I actually like these. They look soft, natural, not overdone. Now this is what I was looking for. So honestly, if you're new to lashes and you want something beginner friendly, these are definitely a good option. Okay, so they feel lightweight, nothing poking me, not heavy, not stiff. It feels comfortable. I mean, I like this, y'all. So overall, I give these a 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. The only reason is just personal preference, and because I'm getting used to lashes in general. So you can't get an A on the first day, okay? If you want to try them, I do have a code. It will be linked in the description box for you. All right? See y'all next time.